Can we place an order on AliExpress without paying? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to proceed on AliExpress account on ordering, then you must first add the payment details and complete the payment. So unfortunately, till date there is no such option by which you can place an order on AliExpress without paying. However, some users tend to use drop shippers or buyers waiting for sellers for the discounted price to reduce the price, only then move on with the payment. In that case, you could proceed with the cancel of the payment. However, this is not ethical practice and comes under violation of AliExpress terms of service and could lead to account suspensions or other penalties. So till there is no such option that you can place an order without payment. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.